What is a base? Now let's talk about bases. A base is a substance that neutralizes acids. Bases react with acids and remove hydrogen ions. Not every base dissolves in water. What is an alkali? An alkali is a base that dissolves in water. When an alkali dissolves, it releases hydroxide ions, OH-. Examples include sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Remember this important GCSE fact. Every alkali is a base, but not every base is an alkali. Characteristics of bases and alkalis. Bases and alkalis have several common properties. Their pH is greater than 7. They turn red litmus paper blue. They neutralize acids. Alkalis produce hydroxide ions in water. Many alkalis feel slippery, although chemicals should never be touched directly. Now let's understand the pH scale. The pH scale measures how acidic or alkaline a solution is. It goes from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is neutral. A pH less than 7 is acidic. A pH greater than 7 is alkaline. The lower the pH, the stronger the acid. The higher the pH, the stronger the alkali. For example, battery acid is close to pH 0. Lemon juice is around pH 2. Pure water has a pH of 7. Soap is around pH 9 or 10. Sodium hydroxide solution is close to pH 14. Scientists don't guess whether something is acidic or alkaline. They use indicators. Indicators change color depending on the pH. Types of indicators. First, litmus paper. Blue litmus turns red in acids. Red litmus turns blue in alkalis. Universal indicator. Red means a strong acid. Orange or yellow means a weak acid. Green means neutral. Blue means a weak alkali. Purple means a strong alkali. What happens when an acid and a base react together? This reaction is called neutralization. During neutralization, hydrogen ions from the acid combine with hydroxide ions from the alkali. They form water. At the same time, a salt is also produced. The general equation is acid plus base produces salt plus water. If the base is an alkali, the reaction is often written as acid plus alkali produces salt plus water. Example: hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide produces sodium chloride and water. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support really helps the channel and allows me to create more chemistry lessons like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks again for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.